Hey, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys all doing great. In this video I'm going to show you that how we can map a network folder inside our PC on the desktop. So this is our PC on the desktop, so we're going to double click and open this. You can see we have only two drive available, C drive and the D drive. So I want to bring another folder from a network and I want to map it over here. So how you're going to map it? We are not going to share any folder from any network, but we are going to share it from our own PC. So the same thing you can do for the remote PC as well, but I will tell you to what kind of things you need to remember before you're going to share anything from a remote PC. The first thing that you're going to share that folder, you're going to select the folder. So this is my data folder and I want to share it over on the network and I want to map it on my PC on the desktop. So from any computer that's going to access this map folder could easily access this folder from my PC on the desktop. So we are going to click on this folder, right click. Maybe you watched one of our tutorial about the sharing, that we have different kind of sharing. One is the default sharing, second is the hide share, and the third is we have the normal sharing that we can share folder. So we are going to click on the sharing and I'm going to click on the advanced sharing, click on share this folder. So here if you click OK, so it's going to share normal, so everyone can see this folder, but I want to share this as a hide share. So you have to press shift and you have to find the $4 so you have to add the $sign at the end of this keyword. So it's going to hide this share, and I will show you in a second that how it's going to hide. So I'm going to click permission and I'm for now I'm going to leave it as a read, so everyone can read this data. So I'm going to click OK. So click on apply. So number of accessing a user is going to be 20 by default, so I'm going to leave it as its default. So I'm going to click apply and click OK. Now I'm going to click close. So the second thing you need to do, if this is shared on a remote PC, so you have to know the IP address of that PC. So we are going to know the IP address. We are going to press Windows key and R on the keyboard, type CMD for the command line. So now what we need to type here, we need to type ipconfig. So you can see this is our IP address, 192.168.1.102. So the next thing that you're going to do is that we are going to get information about the username password, but it's going to be useful for the remote PC, but I'm doing it on my own PC, so I don't require to add my username and password. But if you do this on a remote PC, so for sure 100% you're going to require to add or know the username and password. So the second method to know the username and password on the remote PC is you can use shortcut way. Let me show you the shortcut way is the easiest way to access that. So we are going to type lusrmgr.msc. so we are going to hit enter. So now when you're going to hit enter, is going to open you this users and groups. So you're going to click at the users. So you can see this little icons, it means that these accounts is disabled, but this Firdaus account is already enabled. So you are going to now click on it, double click. So you know the username of this is going to be Firdaus, and the password, how you're going to find the password. If you didn't find the password easily, you can right click and set a password according to your own. So when you going to access the share folder, so it require the username, you're going to give it Firdaus, and you're going to give it the password to access that share folder. So it's for remote PC. So now I want to access this IP address in my own PC, so it doesn't require any username and password. So how you are going to copy this? You are going to click over here, and you are going to put or move your cursor until you're going to get on the last of this IP address. So now you're going to, let me do it again, and I'm going to hit enter. So now you made a copy from this. Now I'm going to close this, press Windows key and R. I'm going to Control V, but you have to add more things like slash slash for accessing any kind of shell folder. It's not important that you are accessing this from your own PC, but if you're accessing this share folder across any other across the network from any other computer, so you have to type 192.168.1.102. So now we are going to hit enter. So you can see no folder, no file is shared over here. Why? Because we already made this as a hide share. So how do you access this? We are going to back again to this run command, and we are going to type slash, and we have to type data with the $sign. So now if I am going to hit enter, so you can see we access this share folder. So the same thing you're going to do for the remote PC, but when you're going to access this, make sure that your firewalls also allow accessing your files from network, and also make sure you check the username password before you're going to access that folder that you're going to share it from that remote PC. So now I'm going to make a copy from this link. So I'm going to click on the PC, and I'm going to click on show more option, and now I'm going to use map network drive. So now I'm going to paste this link, Control V. So you can select a different drive, like I want to use this V, or you can use a different one, so doesn't really matter that. So also make sure you are going to check this reconnect at sign in, and also connect using a different credential. So now I didn't use any one. So if you're changing the username and password on the PC that you share this folder, so you have to check this connect using different credential. So I'm going to click finish. So now what happened is that I'm going to click on my PC, and here you go guys, you can see this network drive that I've accessed from that network that I shared. So I did it on my computer, but as I said, you can do it for a remote PC as well. So let me double click on this data. So if I want to delete one of these files, so let's try that. So you can see I can't delete anything. Why? Because from the original location you have to right click, go to show more option, click on properties, go to this sharing tab, and click on advanced sharing. So what you need to do, you need to click on the permissions, and here you have to click full control and change. So I can change it, so I can delete the file, so I can add a files. So whatever you want to do is now you have the permission. So now we are going to click OK. Click OK. Now I'm going to close. So now we are going to click on this PC, and we are going to this file. So now if I want to make a copy or delete, so I'm going to make a copy out of this, and I'm going to press delete. So now if I click yes, so you can see the file is now deleted from this map network drive. So how you can disconnect this? So I don't want to dive deep into this matter, that how we can limit the size and for more options. So I'm going to end this video as here, but you're going to watch a lot other videos about this size that we are going to assign on the map network drive, and we have a lot of other things that I'm not going to say it in this video because it's going to take a lot of time. So now let me show you how you can disconnect. You are going to right click at this and you can disconnect from here. And also the second way to disconnect, you right click on my computer on the desktop, now click on the disconnect network drive. So now you're going to select this data, so you're going to click OK. So whenever you're going to inside your PC, so you can't see anything. So this is how we use a network drive or map network drive inside Windows 11, and it's also going to work with other Windows. Don't worry, not only it's available for Windows 11, but it's going to work with other version of Windows as well. So hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial or this video about map networking drive, and if you have any question, please let me know in the comment box of this video. And if you want to stay tuned about our future videos, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and also press the bell icon so you're going to be notified about our future videos and uploads. So see you guys until next video.